When we have a base with a negative rational exponent, the first thing we will do is eliminate the negative exponent by taking that term to the denominator. And then, dealing with the rational exponent, we have two choices that are equivalent for simplifying the term. Let's take a look at this example here. 81 to the negative 1/2 power is equivalent to 1 over 81 to the 1/2 power. The denominator of our exponent is the index, so it will be the square root of 81 raised to the first power. It's understood when there isn't an index that it is the square root, so this is equivalent. The square root of 81 is 9, since 9 times itself is equal to 81. So our final answer for this is 1/9. Here we have another example of a base with a negative rational exponent. To eliminate the negative, we will take this term to the denominator and have an equivalent of 1 over 32 to the 2/5 power. Then, dealing with a rational exponent, the denominator of that exponent is the root on our radical, so we're going to take the 5th root of 32 and then raise that to the 2nd power for an equivalent expression. 32 can be expressed using prime factorization as 2 to the 5th power. 2 to the 5th power and taking the 5th root of that results in a 2, but we still have our squared from the 2 in the exponent. And final simplification here then, 1 over 2 squared is going to result in 1/4 for our simplification of this example.